Hey guys, what is up, you guys? I am got some sad news, guys. My rain cat don't feel good. Otherwise, he needs to go to the vet tomorrow. I'll make sure, the vet. Or wait, honestly, mom's gonna call, the Darlene tomorrow and talk about me, about Rain Cat. Mom's gonna drop him off tomorrow. Are you okay, Rain? I don't feel good, Rain. You don't feel good? Yeah, boo boo. I'll show you his boo boo. Let's make sure I know. You see? Rain's got boo boo. Hold on. Rain, I want to talk to you. Let me see. Boo boo on Rain. Yep. He's got a boo boo in the hole. Yeah, my Rain cat. How old is Rain, Mom? 6 months old, right? Yeah, my Rain cat is 6 months old. He's been eating and drinking. You see? Mom's gonna drive you off to the vet tomorrow. Okay, Rain? You see, he's drinking. You see him drinking? He's drinking some water. Drinking cold water, but not hot water, not too bad. You see, Rain? He's drinking water. Poor Rain. Come here, buddy. Rain. Rain. Hey, come here. Come here, buddy. Buddy. Come here. Come here, buddy. Yeah. My Rain cat is 6 years old. But he just will be a tiger. Tiger. He's a strong cat. He's a baby now. He has been drinking and eating and have hole on his vein. I can do see him. See, I got Star and Rotsy. But I gotta tell Rain something. Hold on. I'll get down the camera so let's lay down here. Hey, Rain, you're going to be at the vet. Tomorrow. Have the doctor. Look at you. See, there's a hole onto your boo boo. I saw a bunch of blood. Yeah. My Rain cat should be okay now. So he'll be fine for now. When he's go to the vet, the doctor hospital tomorrow. So have fun at the vet doctor tomorrow, Rain. I'm going to miss you when you come home. And Rain is having surgery tomorrow, right, Mom? Okay. Yeah, Rain Cat is having surgery tomorrow. So, alright, you guys. I gotta get ready for bed now and everything. I'll actually post it on my YouTube or Rebecca's YouTube. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm sure that the Rain should be okay now when he goes to the vet tomorrow. Has surgery tomorrow. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Bye, Rain. I'll see you tomorrow.